Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After yesterday's video, where we discussed the symmetrical triangle forming on the Bitcoin chart and noted that it could resolve near the apex by midweek, price has remained mostly sideways over the past 24 hours. Compared with the last recording, Bitcoin is still trading around 109,000. Now, I'm not usually a pattern-focused analyst, but these triangle setups tend to play out quite accurately for Bitcoin. Over the past day, price attempted a breakout to the upside, but was rejected near 111,000, aligning perfectly with the descending upper trend line of the triangle. In the most recent hour, price has been testing the lower ascending trend line, meaning Bitcoin is coiling up tightly for a decisive move very soon. Let's take a closer look at the liquidation heat maps to identify potential paths. On the 3-day view, the map looks relatively balanced, which by itself often signals indecision. However, in this case, it suggests the potential for a brief dip toward 108.2 thousand, the hottest area on this 3-day map, before possibly turning upward toward 111.7 thousand, which is the nearest upper liquidity cluster. If price manages to clear 111.7 thousand, that would confirm a break above the yellow horizontal level around 111,000. This area has already been tested multiple times and could open the path toward higher zones. The next notable level on the heat map sits near 113.8 thousand, aligning closely with our yellow horizontal target at 113,000. Switching to the 1-week heat map, the strongest liquidity regions are positioned above current price, from 111 up to roughly 117.3 thousand, supporting a moderate upside expectation in the short term. Outside of technicals, there have been no major developments across the broader market, no exchange incidents, security issues, or new ETF decisions affecting sentiment. Overall, the atmosphere remains cautiously optimistic, with improving regulatory signals helping to balance short-term volatility. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. If you got value from this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.